Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change your age on TikTok using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Now, click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. Okay, so as of now, there is no specific option on the settings to change your age. So what you can do is to scroll down until you see Report a Problem. So just go ahead and click on it. So let's just wait. And now I want you to click on Account and Profile and click on Editing Profile. So just go ahead and click on Other. And you want to scroll down until you see Need More Help. So just go ahead and click on it. So I'm just gonna erase this. Okay, so now here just go ahead and type your problem. Okay, so just go ahead and tell it that you want to change or update your age, and then you can just go ahead and present your valid IDs if you want to. And after you've done that, just go ahead and click on the Submit button. Okay, and after you click on Submit, you just need to wait until the TikTok admin will respond on you. And that is how you change your age on TikTok. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.